Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked there 10 years. Today I'm going to talk to you today about how you know you're getting ripped off with all your money being gone by a tax resolution company. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I've worked thousands of cases. I have a whole team of former IRS agents and attorneys on staff. I've been doing this a long time. I've been doing this for 50 years. I've been on all the major news stations. You can see me in a coat and tie at 777irs.com. If you call my office, you do speak to me directly. Today I want to talk to you about being ripped off. This phone right here, I cannot begin to tell you how many calls I get by people who have been ripped off by tax resolution companies. It is staggering the amount of calls I get. People can't get their money back. They can't get their files. They haven't done anything, and they really don't know what to do. Being a former IRS agent, it really saddens me more than anything because some of these people have paid $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 to have their case worked by these larger tax resolution companies. So let me at least explain to you how this process goes. These companies market the hell out of everything. They send letters, they're on radio, they're on TV, they're on Google ads. They spend about $250,000 a month, just drumming business up. Well, who's going to pay for that? You're going to pay for that. Who's going to take all the calls? Very sharp, well-paid salesmen making a good ransom, probably more than you, and they're very refined. They practice their scripts, and they're reading from scripts, and everything you say, they have another script that goes by that. They're very, very slick. Well, at the end of the day, that salesman is going to tell you what's going to happen to your case or what they can probably do or how they can probably settle your case. Most do. Not all of them, but most. That person isn't even licensed to call IRS on your behalf. They've never worked a case. They're the front end of the firm, and their job is to get as much money as they can from you. That's the person who makes the decision what they're going to charge, and they have a really great process in doing this. After you give them your financial statement, they know now how much to charge you. The person working your case in the back end has really no idea what's going on. He winds up or she winds up with a case and they don't even know. They go, oh my God, the salesperson said this. Let me tell you, if you're really good at your craft, you're not working at a back end at a big tax resolution firm. You're just not going to do that. You're going to have your own firm. So these are really training grounds for people to go ahead, to move up and to move out. But they have to learn their craft somewhere, and they do these. As a matter of fact, some of the firms that sound really good just sub the work out to other people. But I'm going to tell you this. There's a big tip I give you. If you're talking to a salesperson on the call, you're going to know you're going to get ripped off in your pocketbook. I'm telling you right now, if somebody has to pay that salesman for the commission, a percentage of what he billed you, all the marketing, and the person, believe it or not, in the back end gets about 4 to 5% of the total sale. So I want you to know, when you pick up the phone and you're going to call someone, and you're not calling a professional like me, and you're responding to all these ads, there's a really good chance you're going to get ripped off. Really good chance. So be careful. Make sure you're talking to a tax professional, either an attorney, a CPA enrolled agent, someone like me, former IRS agent, who know what they're doing. You won't get ripped off. Thank you. Give me a subscription. I got a bunch of videos on a bunch of stuff. Just look me up and give me a call if you need to. When you call my office, you speak directly to me, and I do work larger cases. Thank you.